As pushing and scroll inputs of OMOS Interface are matched with actual real controls in one-to-one way, you can enjoy a real game. In addition, as it is possible to use controls with one hand that were handled by both hands, two OMOS keys allow complex multiplay. These OMOS keys, equipped with both reality and multi properties, are very excellent input device never existed in mobile instruments. The OMOS key is also specialized for three-screen markets, which includes PC, mobile device, smart TV, and remote control. Here is a baseball. The real ball can be controlled diversely as curve, straight, slide, etc. by giving it spin. OMOS key enable real control by inputting the actual ball control directions as it is. Very symmetrically, the ball flies as movement and gets spin as pressing. This allows the pitcher to use various ball properties such as curve, straight, drop, etc. on the baseball game. It presents pleasure at different level from the existing simple games. Similarly, strength of the OMOS key is applicability to all of sports games using balls such as football, basketball, bowling, etc. It is possible to use various skills by controlling angle and direction to return the ball on the sports games, using stick or racket as well as ball control. For example, victory and defeat of a game may be determined depending on true ability of the user, such as powerful smashing, hook shot, drop shot, slide, etc. Symmetrical input of OMOS key is applied to the human body as it is. Head, both arms, and both leg of the character on a dance game or a fighting game can be symmetrically controlled. It is possible to control each part of the character, make it move to the desired direction, seat or jump with pressing to cope with the direction. As the user use all of actions and skills, unrivaled real control is possible comparing to 4 direction keys or simple touch. For instance, the football player can conduct various ball controls and fouls with hand or head rather than simply kicking the ball. On FPS and strategy game that reproduce the actuality as it is, its reality will reach the peak instance. It is also true for the game genres to control machines such as automobile, tank, helicopter, or airplane, etc. Movement of unit is matched with movement of OMOS key, and direction of skill is also matched with pressing of OMOS key. It never requires time to be skilled. Various drifts and acrobatic flights are possible, and skills to be used by the unit become very diversified. Unit movement, view movement, and arm control can be controlled almost simultaneously. Therefore, player can enjoy playing battle race game, which has required some control abilities for attacking enemy and avoiding obstacle. In addition to games, the current mobile market provides the users with a lot of augmented reality, such as position information, building information, etc. However, those mobile instruments controlled with touch have long-distance movement to reproduce the reality and very complex buildings. But the OMOS key is able to become a view of the user easily, fast, and in more detail with intuitive use and single operation. There is no limit on 3D control of OMOS key for business utilization, such as construction, interior, etc., beyond over the applications in the living. So, if two OMOS keys and a side key that allows team assignment and mode change are added, it is possible not only to play game for 2 players, but also to control from 8 players to 1 team, depending on capability of the user. 2 users may enjoy the sports game with 1 instrument, and 1 user may control 2 or more characters. For example, on an RPG game, it is possible to use prosecutor and therapist together and control an armored unit including both ground and air. It is possible to become a football manager to control 11 players with different characteristics. It is, of course, possible to present a consort to play various music instruments at the same time. In the past, mobile device couldn't be only controlled by touch and gyroscope, but now a mobile device can be played with more popular game than desktop PC by OMOS Key. OMOS Key will change a shift of power in game industry, and then the success will be started by using OMOS Key, which is adapted on mobile device. The most interesting of teenager is the game. Of course, video, ebook, and web surfing are quite popular, but game is the key to bring mass usages of teenager. Through increasing usages will be also the key to open 3-screen market. Profits of telecommunication companies from mass usages of wireless data can be explosively increased through using online games rather than mobile games require downloads. Most game companies will be able to welcome the second of successful period. As above, transferring money from desktop PC game market to mobile, the new certain trend will positively affect to an semiconductor company, a device company, a game company, and a telecommunication company together as well. Though it is a small game and a mobile instrument, the user can never feel simplicity or boring. As the user has good performance, quality of the game goes beyond imagination. Please expect the game market to be changed by OMOS Key having both reality and versatility. Thank you.